This award recognizes the business owner who has taken the bold step to either begin or expand a local business. Starting and building a business is very demanding and is a huge gamble. It takes money, preparation, and commitment with no guarantee of success. Those who accomplish the task find that it takes more than hard work. LIBA applauds the entrepreneurs who are willing to put their names on the bottom line, risking much more to begin or grow. The recipient of the Enterprising Gambler Award is Dan Morrow, Morrow Collision Center.
20 years ago, I started Morrow Collision Center with a few $1,000s and a dream to make a living doing what I love. Fast forward 18 years later, after many years of preparation, we opened a brand new, state-of-the-art second location, 5 times the size of our original shop. 18 short months after that, we had an opportunity to buy another local body shop with our same values. Beeman Automotive came with a 40-year history of quality repairs and customer service. The main key to my success is surrounding myself with a talented team, and we're lucky to have the best employees around. I can't wait to see what Morrow Collision Center can accomplish in the future. Lincoln is a great community, and I couldn't imagine doing what I love anywhere else. LIBA has always been supportive of our growth, and I'd like to thank them so much for this Enterprising Gambler Award. But I need to recognize the real gamblers in this situation, my bankers at Exchange Bank.